Hi,
Hello.
my name is Sreelaxmi Ravipati, and I'm lucky to be a Bach Flower therapist. Actually, I treated myself with the Bach Flower Remedies, where I am feeling a lot of relaxations on my physical issues, as well as like I do felt a lot of relaxation on mind and calmness in making the decisions, as well as like I feel so light in my body too. So these are all the benefits that I felt good about Batch Flower. And today I would like to provide more information to you by introducing Dr. Keerthi, who is a senior Batch Flower therapist, as well as she's an MD in the homeopathy doctor. And we would like to, I would like to ask some questions, and she would like to provide some knowledge around it so we can get more information about the batch flower. Thank you for joining, Dr. Keerthi, and welcome to the session.
Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for successfully completing your level 2, and now you are successfully like a government certified Bach Flower trainer. Therapist, sorry. Right.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I would like to ask like few questions. Like, my first question is like, can you briefly explain what these batch flower remedies are and how they are developed?
Yeah, actually, see, the name itself is justifying, right? Like Bach Flower Therapy. So, he is the Edward Bach who had discovered this Bach Flower Therapy. And here, what is the beauty is the remedies are prepared from the flowers. Such a beauty, like only not even the plants are harmed during this process actually. So, and as these remedies are prepared from the plants, these have no absolutely no side effects. These are very safe to take and very easy to administer also. And like these are like the bachelor remedies and the homeopathy basically have the same concept. Like if the mind, our emotions will be the root causes of the diseases. Whatever the disease it might be, there will be certain kind of emotions which are responsible for it. This is not only told by them, but our research is also saying like nearly 70% of the diseases are psychosomatic diseases. That means first our mind is affected. If we carry on over a period of time, that will be reflected in the physical form or in some or other disease actually. So if we treat our emotions in the bachelor, we treat the emotions basically. So which in turn gives the healing in the physical aspect also, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. That's definitely like like pretty much it's a common, everybody believes the point that emotions are the biggest cause of all the diseases. And yeah, actually, like I echo you also, like whatever you said, it's like totally the emotions are the cause. And if we treat the emotions, the diseases will definitely get cured, which is what currently it's everybody is like accepting the truth. Thank you. And can you share a personal experience or a story that in regards to batch flower remedy?
Yeah, why not? Because there are a number of cases that we have treated. Like, see, simple case see, I can share a case of the lipoma recently, very recent case. It is of a very recent case. Generally, the lipoma is nothing but the swelling in the part of the body, anywhere. It will be having no pain, nothing else. Likewise, okay. And there is no treatment in other thing in allopathy. Just it is a surgery is the only thing for them. And so in only in the alternate systems we have that healing in the lipoma. So to my surprise, like I my personal experience, like we live in an apartment there where the watchman is having multiple lipomas and he is suffering with that since from 10 years, 10 to 15 years approximately. And he had gone to number of doctors and they said, sir, you have to go undergo for the surgery because it is not a single one where he wants to undergo. There are multiple things, approximately 10 to 15 in number of variable sizes. Okay, so what happened is as I am there in the apartment, he randomly came to me and asked for the medicine. So I casually talk about them, and I also observed his nature and everything, his emotions, how is he reacting, and we had a detailed discussion, and we have given the remedies. Actually, the biggest size of which it is nearly uh, 10 centimeters, I think, 10 centimeters approximately, 10 into 5, the biggest one, and remaining all other thing are random sizes are there, but the biggest one which is present in the forearm, right side of the forearm, it is there actually. So we have given the remedies, and after 2 months, uh, he's coming, he's taking the remedies regularly, and to our surprise, actually, within 2 to 3 months of the treatment, the size has been reduced to, now at present the size is 2 into 1, 2 into 1 centimeters. That much drastically it reduced. So nothing I have done here, but except I understood the emotions of the person, and I have given the remedies to that emotion, which has resulted drastically the change, which is particularly visible to them, because he had suffered from a long time. Long time, it is since years he had suffered. By seeing the result, he himself has gone into the surprise actually. And he is hoping so much that that much size will also go within 1 month span of time. It is really a wonderful experience. Like that, many other cases are there. Like, see, what happens is generally, whatever the disease it might be, not only this case, like if you see the diabetes, if you see the hypertension, or simple body pains, aches, which are longing for over a period of time. See, we are actually of emotions. Like a day itself starts with the emotions, and we will get hurt, or we will get angry, we will get jealous. We carry that feelings knowingly and unknowingly. With that emotions, we suffer a lot, and we keep it to ourselves or share it, but we don't know how to come out of those emotional stuff. We still, everyone wants the peace of mind for sure, but how to get that peace of mind, we really don't know. Yes, there are now so many things, like we can do the meditations and everything. But in this faster pace of generation, no one is able to give the time for that also. That is the problem. So, see, by simply taking these bachelor remedies, you yourself can have that peace of mind. Whatever our we need, basically, that peace of mind we will get by these bachelor remedies. And also, not only that mental peace, but also what are the ailments that are there in the physical plane, that will also get healed with this. That is the beauty here.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I totally see a lot of experiences being told by many people about the batch flower, and I like. Other than all this, the other most biggest thing is a constipation, and that's like common. Like 99.9% everybody is having it, and I have seen a lot of results, like people showing the results of resolving this constipation, which is the biggest issue, along with all of them, and totally beautiful way of healing. Like it doesn't. There is no people need to touch or anything. It's just a matter of like clearing your emotions. That's all it is. That's
Yeah,
really good.
the beauty. One more thing here, the advantage is we no need to have the physical in-person consultation is not mandatory. Wherever you are, in which part of the country you are, that doesn't matter. Just understanding the emotions of the person, even on phone call or on the Zoom call or the video call or audio call, is itself enough, and we can courier the remedies to any part of the world. So anyone from any part of the world can benefit by this bachelor.
That's really the beautiful part of it. Usually we have to see the therapist, or we have to go to them personally, but whereas in this batch flower we don't even need to. Like by just talking we can understand what the issue is and we can resolve it. Beautiful of it. And yeah, because you just pointed it out, like anybody can contact you. Can you tell like how viewers can come in touch with you or learn more about the
Yeah,
batch
yeah.
flower remedies?
Yeah, whoever are viewing this, you still wanted to take the therapy from us, you can directly message us right? There will be a number scrolling down. You can contact us, and if you want to do the therapy, take the therapy. You can take the therapy, or if you want to learn it also. See, there is no qualification required for being a bachelor practitioner. Just understanding the emotions of the person is itself, having that compassion itself is the qualification for becoming a bachelor practitioner. So anyone can do the training, anyone can take the therapy. As there are no side effects, there is no like age group restriction. You can take from the newborns to the old age without absolutely any side effects or adverse effects. That is the beauty, right?
That's
Yeah.
really good to know. Yeah, I think the website is weyourbatchflower.in, and that's where a lot of information is also there. So people can go there also, as well as to find more about us also. Like there are
Yes.
many ways to reach us along with this. That's
Yeah.
good.
So
Yeah.
one thing we want is we want a stress-free society. So just simply take what identify your emotions, take the remedies, and you be free from whatever the things that you have. That's all.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah. One beautiful part of it is like you learn it and you treat your own family and friends. That's how easy it is. So you don't need to be depending on someone else. Like you don't need any, as you had mentioned, there is no degree or anything that is basically needed, right? That's what is a wonderful part of this batch floor remedy. Yeah, and then thank you, Dr. Keerthi, for giving your time in providing a lot information about the batch flower. Hopefully, everybody understand it and recognize it and start taking it as well as identifying the benefits of it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.